Wow, look at all the high tide water. Might as well wait till the waves come along. Come along, waves. Ah, forget it. Ah, that felt good. Feels so refreshing and relaxing. Too bad Lugia isn't in this. Hey! Sorry. Oh, and P.S. Tribute to my friends and... Oh, yay! High tide water! Time for me to swim!
Careful.
Well, I had to swim, okay? And yes, I have a huge wrist, but glad I have a strong left hand when it comes to holding the camera.
No. I'll go barefoot.
Oh, I'll seriously do it. Go!
I'll do it.
Go! Go up barefoot! Go up barefoot! Oh, well that felt good and relaxing. We're in a show!
Alright, Sarah, who wants to die?
Alright.
Rolling ever so slowly forward. Just as far as you go.
Okay. This is fun.
Watch out.
And it's high tide, so...
They won't know until they come close to this. Alright, it's actually not that bad.
Yeah, but just be careful of how far you go sink.
Yes! She grabbed it! Woo!
Retrieved it. She just retrieved it.
I know, I'm saying...
That one has stuff in it.
That's probably what Dad was talking about.
Now it's ready.
That's what you get, but at least I enjoy swimming. Okay, that was getting cool.
Oh, there we go.
Wow, look at this bank.
Barefoot for the rest of the way.
That way. Okay.
See why high tides on low ground is dangerous? I taught you a lesson, didn't I? Yes, Darlena, you taught us a lesson. But at least it's that cool. Okay, I have to do this again. I'm sorry.
So,